I'm Dave. And this is my cage.
Oh, look who's here.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Russ, good to see you. How you been?
Yeah, doing good. How about you? You look good?
Doing well, doing well. What can I do for you? What brings you by?
Is Dave around?
Dave is around. I think he's actually back in the cage.
Back in the cage. You got it locked?
Always have it locked. We don't let him out very often.
Good. You think it's safe enough for me to go back there?
Sure, absolutely. Let me show you back.
Okay.
Come on back.
Hey, Dave. What's up? What are you doing?
Hey, Russ, how you been, man?
Yeah, man. Doing good.
Oh, I got me a little mess. Try to help somebody out. Got a bad harness, and yeah, needless to say, look at this choke. I don't even know if I lost half the stuff when I opened
Do you have a
it.
set of instructions or anything?
No, and it's like this. Now I got to put it all together. Hopefully it's going to fit when I'm all done
Yeah.
and not leak or damage itself again. It's, yeah, this was not what I signed up for, I'll tell you that.
Oh, man, it looks like a mess. Well, I got something for you. I think it's going to solve your problem.
We got.
Look at this. The wires are all white. They're not orange and purple, but look at the connectors the same.
Whoa.
Put together for you. You don't have to.
Wait.
Together.
Wait. What?
What do you think?
Well, this just took, this is going to be done today versus,
Tomorrow?
and again, white, purple, orange, they don't match nothing anyway.
Right. So,
I got something for this.
what are you going to do, Dave?
Oh, Davy's in
Want me
basket.
to hold the end of that?
Yeah.
Let's put that in there too.
Yeah.
Those will be extra pieces for later.
We're done. This is
Okay.
going to be special. So Chrysler gives you this and all the pieces.
Right.
You got this.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
Yep.
So this is going to fit 62 TE, 45, 545, 65, 66, and 68 RFE.
Bingo. All of them.
Oh, I kind of want to give you a hug right now, but yeah, you know.
How about this bump?
There you go.
Hey.
Well, you seen what I was dealing with before Russ come and saved the day with this. This is what's nice about having friends in the business. You seen the mess I had, the time it was going to take. A nice product, I don't have to worry about it. Just wire it in like I would other ones. This covers a lot of applications. 45 RFE, 545 RFE, 65 RFE, 66 RFE, and 68 RFE. Covers a lot of stuff with one connector. The time it is going to save and the headache, the aggravation. And again, when I opened that package from the dealer, I'm not sure that there ain't some of it on my floor, and if everybody has a shop and a bench, you know, once it falls underneath, it's no man's land. So, again, I probably have a butt connector or seal or a wire here and there, but friends like Rostra, Russ, just made the job so much easier. Again, putting one of these puzzles together, yes, they have to be the same way. You're right. Here's 1,000 ways with 1,000 parts. That could turn into a nightmare.
Exactly.
And yeah, doing it once is where I make money, not
Yep.
that. Thanks.
Well, you're welcome.
Just thanks.
Roster's there for you.
Friends like Rostra in our business is what makes it going from a nightmare to pretty easy, just like that. Again, contact your sales rep, Transcend, Transtar1.com. Order yours today. If you're up in the east of Rust Belt, might want to put a couple on your shelf. Get them while they're hot. People go and see me. They know I'm a good church boy.
Yeah.
I can't even say that with a straight face. Okay, so I don't cuss much anymore.
That's less.
Good thing I got these high voltage gloves covering me.
You can always say I don't cuss much, but that don't do.
Yeah.
Don't let them too close to your us.
I don't cuss much. Think them high voltage gloves will stop that? No.
No.